Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Czech Beads exclusive box. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not the entire box. So let's see what it's going to be. Alright. So this looks a little different. It says January right here. It usually says what it is. Looks like it's in this side now. The Joy of Creativity. That's the theme of the box. I like that name very much. And here's everything that's in the box. Alright, so I'm going to go over this with you guys and see what we got. Oh my gosh. Those are awesome drugs. Okay, we have Czech fire polish beads. I got a scooper thing here to pour it into. This is rainbow, like bronze rainbow iris, something like that. Why can't I remember it? It is gorgeous. I have this in Czech 11.0, Czech Preciosa 11.0C beads. Beautiful. Those are nice. Sometimes when I do get this, though, I have to mention, it's not as rainbowy as this here. Usually it's mostly like a bronze, but this one's very strong. So it's like a pretty good quality. Okay, and then these, I love these. So this comes in gold. It comes in bronze. This is copper. At least I think it's copper. I've also got it in gray. The gray is gorgeous. But this one here is probably my favorite. I have noticed with this one that it doesn't seem to discolor like the Aztec gold does. Isn't that gorgeous? So I have a necklace that I have over there on my desk on a necklace bust. And it is still the color. It's teardrops in this color. They have not changed, so that's awesome. I love those. And then, oh my gosh, I love these. These are pinch beads. These are gorgeous. This might be called Hexagonal, something like that. It's a weird name. It's a purple marble, and it has these little spots on it. Look like rust to me. Looks just like rust. That's cool, and maybe it's hard to see in my hand, or on my thing there, so maybe you can see better there. Sometimes the white messes with the lighting. Okay, wow, those look great together. Okay, and then what? Oh my gosh, we got flowers. I think I've got these before in gold. I want to say it's like a wash because it's transparent. It's actually a clear bead. I could see light going through it. They're very pretty. And that's copper. I kind of think that my camera might be up too high. Okay. Alright, and then, wow, I have never seen these. Oh my gosh, these look so, like these are super matte, but these here have like a glow to them, like they're pearls. I do not think they are pearls. I don't know what that's going to be called. Maybe bronze. I don't know, but that is gorgeous. That's absolute, or maybe like a, maybe that's dark copper and that's light copper. But those are super matte, but these have like a pearl glow to them. So far, the box is really awesome. Oh my gosh, it's getting better. Look at these bellflowers. These are the really big, thick, chunky ones. I have ones that are bigger than this. But I just mean how this flower is made. It's super chunky. It looks like it's white and black with travertine. See how thick it is? It's a very thick bead. Those are gorgeous. I've never seen that one before in that color. I've seen this shape and size, but never that color. Okay, and then, oh, these are pretty. I think this is called California. This is a heart, but it also looks like a leaf to me. Yeah, one side's copper, other side is gold. And the bead is actually clear. If you put it up to the light, you can see light coming through here. Is this cool? So it looks like a heart, or if you use it this way, it's a flower. Or not a flower, a leaf. And then, wow, this bead here is a purple, but it's called silk. It's table cut. It makes me think of a bean. I don't know why, like a sliced bean bead. Isn't that pretty? It's a huge bead. It's really big. And I do have a quarter here now, so you could see the size difference. Look how huge. Quarter. It's big. So that is actually considered a focal bead, because it's so big. Alright. Oh my gosh, I love these. This bead's table cut. It's square, but I don't know what the design is called. It's actually called crystal travertine, I think, because it looks like it's all brown. Those are gorgeous. I love those. So I didn't get to make a tutorial with last month's box because I had too much going on, but I would like to make one with this one. This one is copper, and I do believe that I've got this shape before. Different color though. I think I like the dark color, the dark copper more. Both of them is all. I think I like the dark more than the light. Yes, yeah, that one's looking like it's very close, but that one's like really pearly to me. Yeah, I like that one more, the dark one. Okay, and then, oh wow. These are gorgeous flowers, and there's a lot in here. Wow, these are really, really pretty. Look at how pretty. That's probably one of the prettiest ones I have seen, this color. And this bead, it's really gorgeous. Like, is it blue or is it green? I think it also has that rust look on it. I want to say it's blue. It's very gorgeous. Alrighty. What was the theme for this again? Joy of creativity. Okay. Every time I pick up a bag, I pick up two. Wow. That's a new flower right there. And this shape is reminding me of a flower in nature, but I cannot think of the name right now. Oh wow. I think it's a flower. This is the California again color. Copper and gold. That is gorgeous. I love that bead. So pretty. And then more flower beads. This one I think might be clear underneath of this color, or like a milky white, but it has like I think it's a paint. I'm not totally for sure, but it's like an orangey red color. Wow, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh. I think I have this in my stash. I think I might have 2 in my stash. I'm not totally for sure. This is gorgeous. It looks like black and beige, and it's silky. Silky like this. If you look at it, it just has like a silky look to the bead. Kind of looks like fabric. Those are absolutely stunning. I love those. And 4 is a really nice amount, because these beads are very pricey. Okay, and then, oh wow, this is iris brown or rainbow iris. It's not the same as this one. I hope that's shown well on the camera. Okay, and then I've never seen those. This looks like that same purple right there, but with pink on it. Yes. Actually not pink, it's purple. From the front it looks pink, but now that it's released from the bag, actually it looks like it's pink and purple. Those are pretty. It's not the same exact shade of purple though, it's a pinkish purple. And then these are cute. I don't know if it's translucent or if there's white in it because of the bag, so there is white in it, but it's very faint. It's like a marble inside, like glass marbles, how they have like white swirls in them. See that there? And it has Picasso on the outside. Those are cool. I've only seen this bead one other time, and it was multicolored, transparent. I think it was teal, purple, and beige inside the bead. It was gorgeous. It was a very expensive bead. Okay, we have pinch beads in rainbow iris brown. This. The next beads in the box are one of my faves. They're very pretty. I actually prefer these to string than bead weaving. These, I've got these before. I used them in the Nefertiti bracelet. It was a blue and copper, I think. Not totally for sure. I'll put pictures up. These are rondelles. These are perfectly made. It's kind of like an 8OC bead, right? But it's a rondelle. And it's perfectly uniform. And so I would like to have 1 billion of these because I would use them all the time. They're really nice quality. Oh my gosh. This is a button bead in California gold. One side's copper, one side's gold. I've got this before in matte, and I use it to make a pendant. And when I was working on it, you know, when I design things, I have to make things, take it apart. Sometimes, if I'm lucky, I don't have to take it apart. But for filming purposes, I usually have to make it, take it apart, adjust things, get it perfect, so that I could teach you guys how to make it. And it always is actually good, because if I ever have problems, then I tell you what problems I came across and stuff like that. Anyways, what I'm trying to make. I got this before matte, and the matte wants to come off because I kept touching it. So I ended up coating mine in clear nail polish, to try and preserve it. So these are the same. And these, I should have flipped one of those over. This is Hawaiian Picasso oval shaped bead. I've got this bead before in black and I think red. Isn't that beautiful? I might have also got it in green. I want to say I also have it in turquoise. I might have used this in a necklace. And then this bead here is gorgeous. I would like to reorder this. I wonder how many comes in a pack. Oh wow. So it's like milky. Look at how precious. I'm waiting for my camera to focus. Those are very precious. I think those are 9mm. That one though looks like it has opaque on it, but only on one side. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, these are really gorgeous. This is Capri Blue with some kind of finishing on it. These are big. Bigger than those. These are really beautiful. It looks like bronze now that it's out of the bag. Looks like a bronze on it. I don't think it's a wash. Like a bronze luster. I guess that's what I would call it. It is a permanent coating. It doesn't come off. I love it in that size. And then, oh, this is the other one. Okay, so this is Rainbow Iris Brown. This is not. This is like between antique gold and brassy bronze. This one here. This is 6mm Czech fire polish. Yeah. So see how it's like gold, brass, bronze. This one here has pink and green in it and copper. It's like a mix of metallic colors. Okay, and then this is green flowers. These are beautiful. Very pretty color. Okay, and then last bag. These are teardrops. These are the same exact color as these. Those are pretty. See that? Very nice. So this is it. I'm going to put a link for these beads. They are so gorgeous. Really beautiful beads this month. And my camera or something's moving on me. So I'm going to put a link for the subscription box down there below in the description bar, so you can go and get it. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials you see here in case you want some of these beads but not the entire box. Alright, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.